Well, Delhi too is recording a sharp spike in the number of COVID-19 cases, with over 4,000 cases each for the last 2 days, leading to a significant decline in the number of COVID beds that are available in the national capital.
For the past 3 weeks, the number of COVID cases are on a rise. The number of active cases increasing by over 15,000 in less than 20 days. This sudden spike has led to a shortage of beds in several hospitals across the national capital. On 24th August, 74.5% of total COVID beds in Delhi were vacant. On 12th September, the bed vacancy has come down to 57%. 60% of ICU beds with ventilators are occupied. 70% of ICU beds without ventilators are also occupied. The sudden uptick in cases has led to a shortage of ICU beds in some major hospitals in the national capital. Max Shalimar Bagh, BATRA Hospital, Max Super Speciality, VIMHANS, BL Kapoor, FORTIS Vasant Kunj, Holy Family Hospital, Indraprasth Apollo have reached their maximum capacity of ICU. Even ICU beds without ventilators are not vacant in hospitals like Lady Hardinge Medical College, Maharaja AGRASEN, FORTIS Shalimar Bagh, Indraprasth Apollo, Max PATPARGANJ, Holy Family Hospital, Venkateshwar Hospital. According to healthcare experts, daily intake of COVID patients has doubled over the past week in Delhi.
Yes, definitely we have the increased number of the patients. We have seen the patients earlier around 40 to 50 admission per day. If you see the admission over the last week, we have around 100 admission, even more than 100 admission per day. No, we have enough beds in the ICU. Earlier we had 255 beds in the ICU, and we have increased recently. 50 beds we have more added in this week.
Meanwhile, in a meeting held earlier this week, the Delhi government has asked hospitals to increase ICU beds.
रिव्यू मीटिंग में सभी मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडेंट्स जो डॉक्टर्स हैं हमारे इलाज कर रहे हैं उनसे फीडबैक लिया गया कि कैसे इसको आगे बढ़ने से कैसे रोका जाए और कैसे हम इसको मैनेजमेंट ठीक से कर सकें। तो सबसे बड़ी बात ये निकली कि आईसीयू बेड्स बढ़ाने के लिए सीएम साहब ने आदेश दिया है कि आईसीयू बेड्स को और बढ़ाया जाए।
The Delhi government has time and again reiterated that their priority is to save lives in the national capital. And at a time when the COVID-19 cases are on a sharp spike once again, the government must strengthen the healthcare infrastructure to ensure that no life is lost due to the lack of healthcare facilities in these tough times. In New Delhi, Akshay Dongre for NDTV.